Hello and welcome to Mark's Messy Garage, where today I'm going to be showing you how to polish the front lower forks of my Harley Davidson Switchback. Let me show you a little bit about what I mean. So this is my 2012 Switchback that I absolutely love. In fact, I'll just give you a little bit more of a better shot there. Just have a little walk around. Done a few bits and pieces. Just particularly love the spider at the back there, which lights up when you brake at night, and it looks like the spider's on the inside. People tend to make comments about these lovely big long footboards and passenger ones to boot. My latest accessory that I've added is this incredible colour matching headlight here, which when I switch it on, first of all, just plain ignition. Oh no, that is the light there. You see how wonderful it is. Just really nice. So let me show you what I was talking about with the forks. So basically they come with these forks. I've just started this one slightly, but they come with these forks which are this sort of brushed, this steel look, not chrome but steel, and this is one that I made earlier, and I'm sure you can see the difference. So it just takes a lot of hard work, a lot of polishing. So I'm going to show you and talk you through that. First thing I need to do is change my shirt, because Harley Davidson t-shirt is sacrilege to get absolutely filthy dirty, because I'm not exactly the cleanest of workers. Okay, so that's better. So let me show you some of the tools that I'm going to be using to do this job. So it's very simple here. So first thing is it's all wet and dry sandpaper. I'm using 3000 grit and 7000. Yeah, 3000 and 7000. Going to be afterwards polishing it up with some Auto Sol or something good quality polish there, using my polishing end drill bit. And then when that's all finished, going to be sealing it all with a good quality wax. I've got a few nice waxes here that I could use, and of course the obligatory hand covering, rubber gloves. Otherwise my wife won't let me go anywhere near her with fingernails that just disgusting. So I'll start off with 3000 grit, and basically just start rubbing and rubbing and rubbing, and look at, oh, very important, I forgot to cover the wheel arch. Okay, so just giving it a little bit of a look, and you can see that it's already starting to shine. Already starting to. Now, I might give it a polish, or I might go on for a bit longer, because sometimes the polishing also enhances, and because you can see it's patchy here and here and here and here and around the top, but it's just starting to come up now, so I'll keep going. Okay, so let's have a look and see how this has come out so far. So it's been going on for quite a while with the 7000. Let's give it a wipe down. So it's still patchy, but it's looking better, a lot better than it was. I'm wondering whether I can get those patches out in a polish, which I might be able to do. I think I'll just give it one more going over and see how I can get on with that. So I'm going to try and in between didn't even realise I had in this pack here, 5,000, which actually might make it a bit quicker. It should make it a bit quicker than the 7,000. And obviously when I'm polishing it, it will still give it a good finish. So just want to get rid of those bits that are not matching in. Okay, so it's still a bit patchy, but it's getting there. So I'm going to try a polish and see if it makes a difference. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's been about 2 hours, maybe not even that long, 1 hour and 45 minutes, something like that. So I'm going to do another polish again, and this could be the final one. So let's just see how it goes. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So now it's a wax. So give it a good wax now. Everyone knows how to put wax on. So this is obviously to protect it, because you've taken off whatever there is from the factory on them to protect them from the elements. And I definitely recommend waxing, giving it a wax every time you wash your bike to and wax it. So obviously the times that you wax it, give this a go at the same time. And again, it's to protect it from the elements. I'll let that dry and then wipe that off, and we'll be done. Okay, so now let's get the wax off, or basically buff the wax up. Now obviously if you wanted to really get this even better, you might have to take the forks off, just work on it for longer. I could easily go back and work on this for longer, but for right now, I'm happy, more than happy with that. Okay, and that's it, job done. Hope you enjoyed my video. I might actually make some more, so I might do a subscribe, might do a channel. Depends if people like this or not. If not, let me know. If you do, let me know in the comments box below. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, where I'll try some other bits and pieces, please let me know. Okay, take care guys, and enjoy the rest of your life day. Enjoy the rest of your day really, and your life. Bye.